There
close.
are no brawl DPS.
Yeah, the healers are close. Okay, we push and we push in spread. Okay, we push in spread. That's it. Okay.
Ready.
Ready.
Just hold there. Hold bridge. Hold bridge. Spread
They
out
have
bridge.
6
Okay.
DA. They have 6 DA, by the way. They have 6 DA.
Oh my god, it was 4 layer, and now it's 6.
It's okay. So you know how someone died in the bridge. If you engage, don't go back. Just go here. This side.
They are ready. They are ready. They are
Okay,
ready.
this side.
Okay, they are ready.
Go side. Okay. Go to side, guys. No need to go back when in. Come in. Hold here. Hold here. Just hold here. Hold. Just hold here, sir. Hold. Can you guys dismount?
GA on the side. GA on the side. Care.
Brawlers, can you dismount? Brawlers, can you dismount on their back
No,
line?
we have to.
Okay,
Yeah,
no,
we.
just dismount. Preset. Trust me. Preset. Trust me. Wait, just hold there. Hold on bridge. Hold on bridge. They will looking. They're looking. Dismount. Brawlers, dismount. Just hold. DPS, walk. Now, walk in. DPS, walk in. Pop your giga now. Pop your giga, walk in. DPS, find the ground. Look at me in 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Hold on. Hit the ground. It's big. Find the ground, guys. Find the ground. Okay, now spread out. Spread. Peace and W's. Spread peace and W's there.
Slash,
Spread and
come
peace
to
and
me,
W.
slash.
Okay, DPS ready. Second engage on me. Look, find the ground. Look on the ground, guys. Oh, fucking hell. Just keep walking, guys. Keep walking. On me in 3, 2, 1. Hit on this guy. Kill this tank. Okay, now. Guys, the brawlers come back. We're too far. Brawlers come back. Heal Rato.
Reto.
They're engaging. Front, heal the front. Walk in now. Walk in. Heal me. Beam me. I need beam. 5 seconds engage, okay? 5 seconds engage. Look the color. Find the color. On me in 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. It's free. Hit the ground. Just walk in. QCWs. Spread out, guys. Walk in their backline. Walk in on backline, guys. Walk in on backline. Guys, walk in and on their backline, guys. Backline. DPS 5 seconds engage on me. Come back. Brawlers come back. DPS find the ground. Just walk in. DPS. Look at me in 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Spread and brawl. Just spread and brawl. 5 seconds engage. 5 seconds engage. Find the ground, guys. Find the ground again. 5 seconds engage. Look the ground. Look on the ground, guys. Come. Just walk in. Hit on the ground in 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. It's big. Everyone is here, bro. Okay, now spread and brawl. Just spread and brawl. Catch everyone. Spread and brawl. Spread, guys. They have been. They're engaging, guys. Spread. Just keep fighting. Just catch them, bro. They're dying, bro. They're dying. DPS find the ground on me. Hit on the ground. On me in 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Hit the ground, guys. Hit the ground, guys. Yeah.
The demons are not doing anything.
Just catch them all, bro, and we go castle.
Go. Fast.
This comp is brain dead, bro. What the fuck is this comp? GG, don't kill them. Don't kill him, bro. GG's. Don't kill him. Bro. Just don't kill him.
Okay, they aggro
Let him out.
the spider. They aggro the
Oi,
spider.
don't forget to loot.
Oh, yeah, shit.
Yeah, loot.
Don't forget to fucking loot, guys.
Sorry,
No one
sorry,
died.
man.
No one died. Oh my god. I
Yeah.
love